have to use this OpenCV library. So with the help of this OpenCV library, you can import your this object detection or your facial detection functions. Okay, so how to import your OpenCV library? You can use this import, and then you have to write the keyword CV2. Okay, so when you write import CV2, that OpenCV library is going to be imported in this current directory. Okay, then we have to apply some XML paths. Okay, so that XML path is present in that folder. Okay, so this is the face.xml. So in this XML file, we have to place the coordinates. Okay, so let's take a look from this particular path. We have stored this complete path in our folder. Okay, so when you click on this faces.xml, the XML file will open, and that XML file contains the coordinate of that particular face. Okay, the second, we have to read the path of a particular faces. So this is the second image which is present in a particular folder. So the name of the image is faces.jpg. Okay, so we have to read the faces.jpg file, and the path is stored into this variable as a path. Okay, now after reading the XML as well as the path of the input image, you have to import that file into particular variable like image. Okay, so this is the path location for your XML as well as image. Okay, after that you have to read. So this I am read function is used for the input of a particular image. Okay, so this I am read is a function. This is a function. This is a function which read image. Okay, which read image from path. Okay, so this is the path variable which contain a particular image path. Okay, it stored the particular location of that file. Okay, so this image is right now present in this image variable. Okay, and with the help of this image you can show the particular image. So let's take a look from here. When you import the CV2, then you will import the path. After that you have executed the image variable, and when this image variable is executed, you will find that the image is represented like in these numbers. Okay, so this 255 255 255 is represented as white color. Okay, 255 is the maximum color in, so this is represented as white, whereas 0 is represented with black. Okay, this is a 8-bit color map system. 8-bit color map system. So how to represent this 8-bit color map? So 2 raised to power 8 is equal to 256. So 256 colors are there, but this indexing is starting from 0 and the end position is 255. So in this manner you can represent 8-bit color map picture. Okay, so that's why this 255 255 255 is written right here, and it increasing. Okay, after that we have to use this XML file. Okay, so this cascade classifier use the particular XML file, and it represent all the coordinates to this variable as a face cascade. Okay, so when you execute this, And if you insert cell below to this particular statement and you execute this phase cascade variable, you will find that this cascade classifier represent a particular memory location. Okay, so in this memory location all these XML files will be stored. Okay, then we have to use this phase underscore cascade dot detect multi-scales. Multi-scales means in a particular image it will define the numbers, okay, 1.225, and it extract from these faces. Okay, and you can see from here initially we have an image of 3 by 3 dimension. Now these faces are represented into 1, 2, 3, 4 dimension. Okay, so there is 4 dimension right here. So in this fourth dimension you have to represent these number 1.2. Okay, so the depth of this is int 32. Okay, now after that we have to extract these faces. So as you can see from this figure, you will find out that each image contain a rectangular portion of each face. Okay, so this is the solution for your question. Pankaj, have you seen the solution of your question? Pankaj, you are asking how to draw the rectangle. Okay, so this is the output for the rectangle. Okay, quickly give your response. So wait for a minute. I will share the complete screen so that you will find out the screen also. When I executing the program, the screen is appearing in different window. Okay, so I am sharing a complete screen. Okay, so this window is visible to you or not? This is the output. This is the output for your program. Okay, so how this output is achieved, we can see using this program. Right from here, you can see we are using x, y, w, h, 4 variable in phases. So what is x, y, and w, h? As you can see from this figure, okay, the output image, this rectangle consists of 4 coordinate. Okay, there is x position, there is y position. Okay, this is x position, this is y position, then there is some w position and h position. Okay, so how you can represent the w and h position? With the help of x and y you can determine. Okay, so when you draw a rectangle, you can see image xy. So image xy is the coordinate system in x or y direction. Okay, we will take x plus w and y plus h. Okay, so this w and h is represented right here. Okay, this is a dimension array of your faces. You can define these w and h from these values. Okay, and we will take 255 comma 0 comma 0 comma 2. So this is the color of your rectangle. Okay, so this is 2 is the width of that rectangle, and this is the color combination R, G, and B. Okay, so you can represent the colors like this. You can take the dimension of your x and y position for your rectangle, and you draw the rectangle with the help of this rectangle function on a particular image. Okay, this is img is an image which contain all the faces. Okay, then you are using imshow function. So this imshow function is used to show the output. Okay, so it will show the output of complete image. Now, but we are using weight key. So with the help of this weight key, this complete picture is showing right now. Okay, when you press 0, this picture will destroy. Okay, the output picture is going to be destroyed. We are using destroy all window function, and with the help of this all window function, destroy all window function, this complete image is going to be destroyed. So when you press 0 from the keyboard, you will see that this complete image is destroyed. Okay, quickly give your response. Have you understood this line of code? This is the question, this is the solution for your question, Pankaj. Any doubt till now? Quickly give your response. Quickly give your response. Any doubt till now? Aryan is saying that, can you repeat once again? Okay. Sir, how coordinate will represented in image? Okay. So how the coordinate will be represented in image, we have seen this in the previous lecture also. So when you represent any image, that can be represented like this. Okay, this is our image. So this is our face. Okay, so let's suppose that this is a face and you have to detect your face. So this is our complete image. So when you represent an image, it has some coordinate system. Okay, so this represent x-axis, this represent y-axis. Okay, so in this image, we are represented this image as xy. Okay, so we will take some value from here x, and we will take some value as y. Okay, then we will take the value x plus w. So this is the value for x plus w. This is the value for x plus w, and this is the value for y plus h. Okay, this is the value for y plus h. So initially, let's take an example. X is equal to 20 and y is equal to 70. Okay, so x is 20 and y is equal to 70. So let's suppose that the position from x is 20 right here, and position from y is equal to 70. So this is the coordinate 20, 70 in case of x comma y. Okay, so it can be represented as 20 comma 70. Okay, now what is the coordinate for x plus w? So w is the position from this point to this point. Okay, so let's suppose that this w is equal to 10. Okay, so what is the value for this x? X is 20. 20 plus 10 equal to 30. So this x plus w is equal to 30, and again y plus h. So they are equal in size because they are parallel to each other. So y is equal to 70 plus 10. So we can take it as 80. Okay. So when you execute this code, you will find some rectangle position is appearing on your face. Okay, so how to create that rectangle face? We have to use this line number 8 code. Okay, these are present in your XML file. Okay, and you have to represent these portions from this for loop. It will take the first array value x as 305, y as 6, then it will take w as 79 and h as 79. Okay, then it will draw your particular face rectangle in the first position. In the second position, it will take x value as 447, It will take Y value as 10 and W value as 83 and H value as 83. Okay. So how to exit? You have to press 0 from the keyboard. Real time face detection. When we move our face from right to left or left to right, this rectangle is automatically creating XML file, and all the coordinates are automatically going to be tracked with each frame. Okay.